Okay boys, Ptree's presents time. Trying to go for the crown foil. I've got 2 sticker capsule 2s here. Just bought that with the Bitcoin that I had left over. I'm gonna do this one a little bit different and probably different from now on with YouTube and with the channel growing. There's just too many people entering and it's really been a pain trying to get these people their items. If someone wins, I reply saying send me your trade link. Sometimes the comment gets blocked and I have to go into my blocked messages to somehow find this trade link that he sent through all of the garbage that I get. And then I have to go through, and sometimes people don't reply for a week, and then I have to go back a week later to see if they still replied. And it's really just a pain. So what I really want to do is if I could move this more towards Twitter, because if I can go on Twitter, I could DM people. It's so much easier to keep track of all of this stuff. So basically what the plan is this will be my last video like this. I will still post on YouTube, but it's going to be like that forum post thing that you can do, and I'll just post that. I won't post an actual video, and I'll just have the tweet out with the unboxing so you can see what I got, see what items I got, see what you can win. But I'm going to move things more towards Twitter because that's much easier for me, and it's much easier for you guys because if you won, I can keep track of who actually won. Because whenever I upload a new video, I lose track of you, and if you reply maybe like 2 weeks later, I won't see it and it's like I scammed you, and I don't want that to happen, so I'm going to be moving this more towards Twitter in the future. But for right now, let's get this going. We've got 2 capsules, we've got 2 keys. It would be insane if we get the crown foil. So let's go, first capsule, let's see what we get. Almost a purple at least. Have fun, have fun. I will have fun if we get something decent. Please give me something decent. That sticker's probably like $3. Come on. And GG. Well, that was over quick. Have fun and GG. No crown foil. Well, maybe next time we don't do these capsules because that was pretty underwhelming. I'll throw something else in here. Let's grab something else. Let's throw it in here. See what else we can get. Let's do at least 3. Okay, so back to Catavisa 2019. For how much money my channel makes, the Catavisa 2019 capsules are actually perfect. So let's get this going. We can at least get something fairly decent. And, well, it could have went better. Could have been a Furia Hollow. Could have been a few other things, but Vitality it is. So these 3 items, I'm going to have the link to the tweet in the description, and I'll also have it as the pinned comment. And if you just go over there and you like it, I'll just run a raffle a week from now when these aren't trade banned. And if you like that tweet, you will be entered in. So that's how I'm going to do it from now on. I will DM you if you are a winner, and it should be much easier to track you. There should be no one that's missing out on items, because every single time I've done this, I've had items left over. So hopefully this way, I can keep track of things. Hopefully people respond at a decent time, and when I do these videos, I can get rid of everything this time. Good luck to everyone who enters, and thank you for supporting the channel.